Okay, so this is my new car. I totaled the Jetta. So now I have, I believe it's a Kubota tractor. It gets me around pretty fast. I mean 3 miles an hour? That's pretty fast, right? Yeah. I mean, I can pick shit up whenever I want. Just whatever. Oh shit, handles everywhere. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Safety is #1 priority.
No, there's a seatbelt, I just choose not to use it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. There's like 5 gas pedals. You just have to guess which one works. So this is my tractor. My baby. Nice and dirty. I love it. If you check over here, clearly it says danger or the ball will fall on you.
Let's come around and
check. Just gonna have to squeeze through the tire there. Danger, the ball will fall on you.
The ball.
I'm already getting eaten alive by bugs. Watch out for them chiggers! I can totally sound like Chris Crocker right now.
Who?
I can totally sound like Chris Crocker right now.
Love him.
Yeah. Okay, we're done.
Really?
Yeah, can I have another picture?
I think we're done.